90% of Indian investors think they are diversified, but in reality, they are just concentrated without realizing it. If your entire portfolio falls together in a market crash, you don't have a portfolio, you have a problem. Most people have 4 or 5 mutual funds, some stocks, maybe gold, and they feel safe. लेकिन सच क्या है? ये डाइवर्सिफिकेशन नहीं है, ये इल्यूजन है. So basically how we select one? We go to an app and sort it by the highest return in the past 3-4 years, right? And we pick the top performers. Sounds smart, right? Actually, you are buying what has already gone up. Means you are buying ticket for a train which has already left the station. We tested this strategy over 20 years, including 2008 market downfall, 2020 crash, and 2022-23 sideways market. And results? Most investors fail to even beat the index. And in crashes, they fall more than the market. So problem is not lack of funds or lack of options. The real problem is lack of structure. In few minutes, I'll show you a simple framework that can completely change how your portfolio behaves. So first step is to buy the red. Invest where others are not investing. Instead of chasing winners, look at the sectors of fund that underperformed. Because market moves in cycle. जहां लोग डर रहे वहीं अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है. But wait, not everything that fall is worth buying. So second step is safety filter. What we call is momentum. At a safety filter, you don't catch a falling knife. Simple rule. Only invest when trend shows signs of recovery. For example, a price above key moving average or continues 2-3 month momentum in a price. मतलब blindly खरीदो मत, confirmation का wait करो basically. And the third is allocation. And this is where most people fail. Allocation is not simple because not all investments are equal. Small cap is high risk and large cap is stability, right? It is slow and it is stable. But people invest randomly. Correct approach, allocate based on risk, not on emotions. ये simple लगता है, but यही game change करता है. Risk management. One more thing most people ignore is the risk management. If your portfolio falls 40 to 50% in crash, you are not investing, you are gambling. Simple rules. Risk management को करने के लिए rebalancing every year you have to rebalance. You have to check what is falling, what is underperforming, what is outperforming. Exit discipline. Loss book नहीं करते. For we think के we stay invested for 3 years, 5 years, tax कम लगेगा basically या तो long term tax में count होगा. But simple rule है tax का. If you invest and hold it for more than 12 months, which is more than 1 year, then it is automatically considered as a long term investment and 12.5% टैक्स लगेगा. अब आप उसको 5 years होल्ड करो या 10 years होल्ड करो, उसमें 12.5% टैक्स लगेगा क्योंकि वो लॉन्ग टर्म हो चुका है. एंड इफ यू सेल बिफोर 1 year और 12 months बेसिकली, तो वो शॉर्ट टर्म में काउंट हो जाएगा एंड इट विल बी 20% टैक्स. ओके, सो दिस कैन ड्रास्टिकली रिड्यूस योर लॉसेस बिकॉज वंस यू बुक द लॉस, अब द बुक कर दोगे लॉस तो वो एडजस्टमेंट में काउंट हो जाएगा टैक्स में. फर्स्ट थिंग जो लॉस हुआ है विनर्स के अगेंस्ट, राइट. एंड सेकंड थिंग, आप लूजिंग फंड को होल्ड नहीं करोगे ज्यादा टैक्स बचाने के लिए. टैक्स बचेगा ही नहीं बेसिकली क्योंकि 12.5% लॉन्ग टर्म में लगने ही वाला है. एंड जो शॉर्ट टर्म में हमको उसको एडजस्ट करना नहीं है, एटलीस्ट 1 year का बफर पीरियड लेके चलना है. एवरी ईयर वी हैव टू रीबैलेंस, राइट. हर क्वार्टर में, हर 6 month में रीबैलेंस नहीं करना है. इन केस इफ के 50% से ज्यादा मार्केट गिर जाता है, मतलब फॉल इज देयर मोर देन 50% और समथिंग दैट लाइक 2020 क्रैश आया था, लाइक डायरेक्ट फॉल हो जाता है, राइट. मार्केट में वॉलिटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. देन यू कैन book the loss, and when you book the loss you can adjust that against your profit. Now other interesting insight is when we filter out high debt companies, weak businesses model, like when we add the Sharia filter basically, then our portfolio becomes more stable because मतलब सिर्फ रिटर्न नहीं है, मतलब क्वालिटी भी मैटर करती है, राइट. सो you when you add a Sharia ethical filter, right, so you automatically get the good businesses, and the bad businesses which are doing some fraud or scam something, they automatically almost get filtered out from your investment universe. Now to be honest, after knowing all this, will you track allocation, rebalance every year, stay calm in crashes? Most people don't because either time नहीं है, या तो भूल जाते हैं, या तो they try to find new fund which is outperforming. They keep hopping on funds, they keep changing the investments, and that's the real gap. Not knowledge, execution. We don't give tips. We help investors build structured portfolios, that manage risk, allocate properly, and compound over time. If you want clarity on your portfolio, you can book a consultation, a free call with a wealth manager, and see if we are good fit and you are good fit for us for the investment, and how we can help you in your investment journey. If you do what everyone else is doing, you will get the same result. But if you want different outcomes, you need a different system. Happy investing.